Alright guys, this is step 4, and I know this isn't the same cover that I just made, but apparently it had a low battery while I was making step 4, so I didn't get any of it. Alright, step 4. We've got our guts are glued, and we've got our packing tape over the staples. So step 1, glue the spine. Step 2, make the cover. Step 3, tape the staples. All complete. All that's left is step number 4. I need to attach my book to my cover. What you need to know is the glue on the spine and this tape is nice, but it's not what holds your book together. In fact, when you look at my book, you'll see that the spine is totally separate from the end of the guts. See that? What's actually holding this together is I have glued down the front and the back page to my cover. And I have those strips in there, kind of like your packing tape, holding everything in as well. All right, so to do this, you can use, I like using a glue stick because when it dries, it doesn't wrinkle. You can also use liquid glue, although you might get some wrinkles when it dries. I have heard some students say that the glue stick doesn't stick very well, so it's your choice. First thing I'm going to do is place glue on one of my covers. I'm not going to use too much because a lot of people need to use this stuff, but I am going to make sure I use enough. So I'm going the whole way around the edges, and I'm creating an X. Next, I take my guts, place this spine in the gap that I left for my guts to live. And then I'm going to fold the cover up. Lay it down and give it some nice pressure. For the second side, I like putting the glue on the paper, but you know, you do you. Again, I'm gonna go around the edges. And I'm wondering if they're just not working fast enough for the glue stick. I have noticed that the glue stick dries faster than the liquid glue. So you gotta kind of focus and work fast. So I get the glue on my page. Now I just close my book. And again, I give it a little pressure. And I now have my very own handmade sketchbook. This is the finished one I made when my phone died. And again, so you see, even though that's popping off right now, my book is still, it's still intact. Might want to fold that. Right? Sketchbooks, yay!